kind of reception that our athletes are subjected to, including winners jetted back to the country, is still wanting the cabinet secretary himself did not show up to receive, and it's good to note that the arrival of Faith and the other team member was at night, and we now are seeing a lack of motivation. I therefore wish to call athletics and National Olympics and the following to Kenyans. 1. What really happened to our team management and if there were any prior arrangements for athletes' receptions in Nairobi? Number 2. Expound, and I saw Nock trying to explain some things a few weeks ago. Number 2. Expound on the reward scheme system and stipends given to winners for various categories, the kind of reception that our athletes are subjected to when they land back. Yesterday, several athletes, including the 2 gold winners, jetted back to the country, but the kind of reception being accorded to them is still wanting, since even the cabinet secretary himself did not show up to receive, and it's good to note that the arrival of Faith and the other team member was at night, and we now CSO Sports is active more at night as you consider number of events he attends. This type of welcoming of athletes reflects the general poor management and lack of motivation being accorded to the team. I therefore wish to call upon the Minister of Sports, Athletics Kenya, and National Olympics Committee to explain the following to Kenyans.